Hey guys, welcome back to Java tutorial series. In today's lecture, we will be studying about our next two string functions. So next two string functions are compare to and equal ignore case. So moving on to the first string function for today, which is compare to. So you might have a question, what does compare to does? Compare to does nothing but compares to string and gives us output in a integer format. So computer or system basically does change the whole string into ASCII code and compares it and give us output in form of integer. Compare basically it subtracts the first ASCII code of the string with the second. To understand this better, let's write a suitable program. So I have written the basic program which include header files, declare the scanner class and an empty system.println statement. Now let's write the main program. String a is equal to computer in small cases, only the first C will be in the uppercase, and let's declare another string B is equal to computer with all the letters in small case, semicolon. Now let's compare this. Integer C is equal to A dot compare to B, semicolon, and the output will be C. Let's compile this. As you can see, it is no syntax error. Now we will try to run this program. As you can see on your screen, the output is -32. So what did the system do? System basically converted all the characters of both the strings into ASCII code and subtracted their ASCII codes. It started with the first character. If the first character were different, it subtracted it and gave its output and displayed it. But if both the first character was same, then it would have moved to the second character and compared, and so on. If all the characters were same, the system would have given us output as 0. Now let's try this using both the strings same. Now as you can see, I have written the previous program. I will just modify it little bit and change the capital C into small c. Let's compile this. It is no syntax error. Now we will try to run this. As you can see on your screen, the output is 0. So it checked all the variables, subtracted their ASCII codes, and at the end, when both the ASCII codes were same, the system gave us output as 0. As you have studied the earlier string function equal, it used to check the cases of the string also. But in the case of equals ignore case, the system will ignore their case and only check the character or the means letter, whether it is E, E, F, F, and so on. To understand this better, let's write a small program. We will initialize two strings. String A is equal to cat and string B is equal to cat with all the letters in cap. And as you can see in the first string, I have written the letters in mixed type of cases. Now we will compare this using the string function equal ignore case, and we will use boolean data type, because I have told you earlier that equals uses boolean data type and gives us answer as boolean and not as previous one in compare to, it gives answer in integer. Boolean ba is equal to a dot equal ignore case. In braces we will write b semicolon and we will give our output as ba. Let's compile this. As you can see, it is no syntax error. Now we will try to run this. So as you can see on your screen, the system has given us output as true. So system basically ignored the cases of both the string and compared it and given us output in a boolean type. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any sorts of doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. Thank you.